Today, I unbox the Radiolink RC 4GS V2. Recently, I received an email from Radiolink asking me if they could send me a controller and I could do an unboxing and review. After taking a look around and checking out their website and reading up on some of their radios, I decided that I would enjoy the opportunity of working with Radiolink and doing an unboxing. So let's get to it. Let's have a quick look at the box. 4-channel programmable dual mix control, gyro integrated, 400 meter ground distance. The side of the box shows quite a few of the features: 2S to 4S LiPo or 6 AA battery power capacity. And here you see the back and the side of the box for the Chinese customers. As you open the box, you see that the transmitter and receiver are both contained in a styrofoam package, making sure that the unit stays safe during transport. And what you see here is everything that comes in the box: the instruction manual with programming instructions, the R6FG 6-channel receiver, and the transmitter. Batteries are not included with this transmitter. Upon picking up the transmitter, you will notice that it has all of the standard buttons that you find on a pistol grip style transmitter. An adjustment knob for the 3rd or 4th channel, a 3rd and 4th channel button on the handle, and the 3 trim buttons: the steering trim, the throttle trim, and a trim button for the 3rd or 4th channel. And the RC4GS supports up to 10 models in its memory. Upon powering up the unit, you will notice the very nice backlit digital display. 4 buttons on the face of the unit. By pressing the 2 outer buttons, you enter into the setup menu. The 2 inner buttons allow you to scroll through all of the menu options. And hitting the exit button returns you back to the main screen. To the top, front, and behind the steering wheel, you have the trim adjustments: steering, throttle, and also the 3rd channel trim adjustment. Overall, I found the feel and fit of the RC4GS to be very nice. I have average size hands, and the remote sits nicely in my palm, and it's very easy for me to work the throttle and the brake. Reaching the 3rd and 4th channel buttons are also quite easy. Also able to hit the trim adjustment with my thumb, and the foam on the steering wheel is quite comfortable. The power button is positioned and is also flush, as to keep you from accidentally turning the transmitter off when you're running your vehicle. The antenna has a nice 3-position detent in it and fold away to keep the antenna off if you accidentally bump it. The R6FG receiver that comes with the unit is a 6-channel receiver. which is nice having the extra 2 channels if, like me, you like putting light kits or lights in your RCs. You have an extra couple of channels that you can plug them into. With the price point for the receiver only $16.99, it makes purchasing extra receivers for additional cars that you can put into that 10 model memory extremely affordable. And now comes the instruction manual. And perusing through the instruction manual, you'll find it to be very clear and very thorough in explaining how to operate and set up all of the features and functions that come along with this radio. The instruction manual is printed both in English and on the opposite side in Chinese. The price point for the Radiolink RC 4GS V2 comes in at just $59.99. That's available direct through Radiolink's website or Amazon. The RC 4GS V2 offers an enormous value for all of the options and features that come in this radio. There are not very many options in this price range that come with a digital backlit display. And with the V2 version, you are getting some upgrades over the V1. Those would be the FPV holder hole, the strap hook on the back of the unit, the SWA and SWD, or 3rd and 4th channel buttons, and the handle and trigger have been reconfigured for better comfort. So, if you are in the market for a new transmitter, and you're looking for something that has good quality, a nice range, a lot of options to choose from, the Radiolink RC 4GS V2 is definitely an option you should take a look at. Thank you all very much for watching, and be sure to check back in and watch my review of the Radiolink RC 4GS V2 transmitter.